Hey, check out what I got. I got something for grilling season out here when I'm cooking on my grill. And it's hot and the flies are bothering me. This is a portable 2-in-1 fan. It's got a light on it. It's supposed to last 12 to 24 hours. It says charge the fan every 3 months to expand its lifetime. Don't put your fingers in it. Don't remove the front cover or to reassemble the product. Don't use in wet areas, so it's not waterproof. It's got a built-in light with 4 levels of brightness. Comes with a Type-C charger. Let's check this thing out. I can't wait. I'm hoping that it actually keeps the flies away while I'm trying to cook. So it says for high speed, it'll run for 6 hours. On low speed, it'll run for 25 hours. Check it out. This should already have some kind of charge on it, shouldn't it? Oh, look at there. It's got a hook to hang it up if I wanted to. Let's see here. There's the light. Low, medium, or low. That's second to low. That's next to high. That's high. Let's see here. Yeah, it'll move. I don't think it's going to keep the flies away, but it'll keep me cooled off out here. Perfect for grilling. It's a camping fan, to be honest with you. And I believe that's why it's got the lights in there. But that's all right there. There'll be a link to this in the video description if you want to get one. I mean, because I like it. I like it. I think you'll like it. Plug it in back here in the back. Looks like you can actually plug it in with a USB or a USB-C. But you know, USB-Cs are faster, right? No, it don't. It don't make your voice change.